Hello YouTube viewers, it's Sharky here, and today I'm back with another speed graphic. However, before I get into this speed graphic, there's a couple things I like to say, and then I'll just not talk for the rest of the thing, and you guys can see the beauty that I've made. First thing I like to say is, please go and check out the channel that I'm making the speed graphic for. The channel name is MJgamer, which there's actually a lot of them, so to save you all the trouble for looking for it, I'll link down their channel in the description below. Shouting out whoever I make a banner for is like something that I like to do, just because, you know, technically without them the banner would be non-existent as well as the video. So yeah. Second thing I like to say is they actually did give me kind of like an idea of what they wanted for their banner, which I will show on the screen right now. And so then this was not just free thought, it was kind of going off of a basis that was drawn for me. Third thing I like to say, and this gets into the more important things, is that on the flames that you guys will see later on, the flames of the letters, unfortunately the way that I record the speed graphics, it does not record whenever I try and use the liquify filter, which is how I did every single like flame on the edge of the letters. And so because it didn't record the liquify filter, because it opens up in a separate browser inside Photoshop, then it just looks like my flames are turning from 1 second, and like there's like a pause to another anamorphous shape after the pause. And basically what's going on through that pause is I'm going through and I'm liquefying the flame in the direction that I want to do. And since it's done like by hand through a brush, it does take a little bit of time to get the way the flames I like it, and sometimes I have to re-liquefy things because it didn't turn out the way that I envisioned it that it would. So whenever it's just like that blank thing and then fire just appears like, you know, in the blink of an eye, then that's kind of like what happened. And the last thing I'd like to say is that unfortunately, however much it pains me to say this, I wasn't able to make a background from scratch for this banner. However, using a texture that I happen to have, I was able to give that as a background. Of course, I didn't use it at its regular thing. I altered the way it looked. I changed the brightness, changed the contrast, so it fit more with the banner. And I'm sorry you guys don't get to see me make another background from scratch. Hopefully in the future you will. Yeah, anyways, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of this speed graphic. If you like the speed graphic, leave a like, share it with your friends. Maybe they find things like this interesting, and seeing, you know, art before their eyes in a speedly manner, you know, cool. Comment down, what did you think about the banner? Maybe if you have any feedback, because I'm always open to feedback, and I'm always love to see if people appreciate, you know, the kind of work that I do. And subscribe if you're new around here. As of right now, there is no schedule for my art channel, but if you turn on notifications, you'll be notified each time I do upload, so you won't miss a exciting thing that's in the realm of aesthetics. Anyways, my name is ITZsharky, and I'll see you all later. Enjoy.